Digital fashion is no longer the future. It's here and now. It's being used for design, catwalk, and retail. To stay current, now's the time to key into it. But does it seem daunting? How do you even start? Meet TG3D Studio. We help fashion businesses adopt digital transformation technology in a very user-friendly way, with complete end-to-end solutions from taking the design workflow digital to bringing a more immersive shopping experience and digitizing consumers' bodies, textiles, and clothing. We provide fully integrated technology solutions. Designers can start by prototyping their design entirely digitally. This includes sampling and sample reviews. Customers can browse through collections of 3D clothing, then customize and visualize the final designs. Then they can virtually try on different clothing and see how the sizes and designs perform on a digital replica of their own body. The interactive shopping experience empowers customers to leave the store with their ideal clothing. Enhance your brand's relationship with the customers and grow your sales. The benefits are also a much lower carbon footprint than traditional methods. With our solutions, you will eliminate the guesswork to assist your customers in choosing their perfect size. With the perfect sizing and the desired designs, you could help the customers extend their clothing's life cycle and reduce the climate impact. Get in touch with our friendly team to find out where to start.